Maybe you are asking, what are the different specializations in physical therapy? Physical therapists can practice as a cardiovascular or pulmonary physical therapist. That means we can handle patients with problems on the cardiovascular system or the pulmonary system. So usually the patients that we handle here are post-operative patients or those patients with heart conditions and different pulmonary conditions such as asthma or chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases. And in the current health situation, we can also handle COVID-19 patients for their recovery because we can provide um, breathing exercises or exercises that will help them minimize fatigue. Another area of practice is oncology. That means we also handle cancer patients that aims for exercises in prevention of fatigue and maximizing their function. And sometimes we can also give palliative care. So another areas of practice is geriatric. So that means we also handle, as mentioned earlier, older adults or older adult patients. Now for geriatric, the goal of the therapy is to prevent deconditioning and give palliative care. We can also handle patients for neurologic cases or patients with different problems in the nervous system. So these are conditions such as stroke, Parkinson's disease, radiculopathy, and spinal cord injury. So we give them exercises that will help them develop their strength and function even if they have slowed process because of the affectation of the nervous system. Now, other areas of PT practice is sports, which is very interesting because as PTs, we handle athletes to prevent injury or improve their performance. Now, there are times when an athlete gets injured, and so physical therapist also helps that injured athlete to recover from the injury. Another PT practice is pediatric, which aims to handle patients from infants to adolescents that have different developmental problems such as cerebral palsy, Down syndrome, and other conditions that causes developmental delay in their motor function. Now, another areas of PT practice is women's health, which is kind of special because we handle patients, or not really patients, but clients who are pregnant women. So the goal for the pregnant women is for strengthening exercises in their preparation before giving birth. Now, lastly is the orthopedic. Okay, orthopedic physical therapist focuses on the musculoskeletal systems brought about by different conditions such as arthritis, tendinitis, fracture, sprain or strain. So orthopedic physical therapists handle them.